So in this video I did these curls and I did it with the wig on my head. Then I took the wig off and I was just like, it would look so much better if I did it like on a mannequin head. And look how much better it looks like in the front. I want to try to, you know, fluff the curls out with a pick and see how it'll look. But right now I'm just making sure this part looks good. So far it does look good. I think it looks so much better that I did it on a mannequin head because I actually took my time. I feel like for the video, I was taking my time, but it's like, I feel like curls on a mannequin head just always come out better. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like how I'm gonna pluck it out and everything. So just stay tuned for that. And yeah. All right, y'all. So this is how it looks on me. Look how much better this looks. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit. And how are we liking it? Very, very cute, very natural, very thick. Let me just say that. Very, very, very thick. So this wig is from Amazon, and this is from an Amazon seller called Aminow. And this is a synthetic wig. Now, if you know me, you know I love me some synthetic wigs. Honestly, I feel like they're just, I don't know, I know how to work synthetic wigs. But this one is actually a Wear and Go Glueless lace wig, and it's a 4x4 kinky straight lace front wig as well, and it is 22 inches. I think this wig is phenomenal. Like, it's thick, it's full, and it actually took the curls really well. Now this wig does come pre-plucked, and it comes pre-cut as well, so that's very good. I didn't have to cut any lace off. I did pluck it again myself. I wanted it to be a little bit more to my liking. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. This is very affordable as well, so don't be thinking you're gonna be running up a coin with this, because honestly, you're gonna spend about 50 bucks and then that's it. I will link this wig down below for you guys if you would like to purchase it. It's going to be in my Amazon storefront, link down below, so make sure you do check it out if you want it. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.